All right, so what I'd like to be able to do is that when we successfully register, we like to programmatically navigate to the profile. So how do we do that? Well, we can use this route that we have created to navigate to the profile screen right here. This route. If you remember, inside of the route, there was a property that called history that allows us to navigate anywhere in the route, to activate any particular route, and then it'll navigate to that particular component. So what we're going to do here is that on register, right? What we're going to do is that if we successfully navigate, right, which is here, notice that it'll be in this register function. When it comes back and we have this new user, what we're going to do, instead of spinning out just the console log, we're going to use the history property, right, to push the route that we want to navigate to. So let's do that. So instead of doing this, what we're going to do is we're going to say this dot props.history, and we're going to push the profile here. All right, so let's try that out. So if we navigate to the registration page, let's log in as, instead of Alice, let's log in as maybe Joe, and let's register. Notice that indeed we have successfully navigated to profile. Presumably we have even was able to create Joe. Let's make sure that we were able to insert Joe. There we have Bob and Joe, right? So yeah, so we were able to register and then programmatically navigate to the profile. Now, obviously, I'm skipping quite a few things here. One of the things that you might want to validate here is that that if the username was already taken, so you might want to send back an error message, and based on that error message, you either navigate or don't navigate to the history. Okay, but that portion I'm going to leave up to you. We're here handling the happy path, right? So let's now work on this, right? The next thing we'd like to be able to do is that when we navigate to the profile page, I like to be able to see things that are particular to me. My username, my email, my password. Well, not my password. Maybe I want to change my password. So I like to be able to retrieve from the profile the current user, and presumably I just register. I should be the current user. So let's work on that next.